Hey family, cheers! Summer's coming, so let's get into some summer vibes with this refreshing, hydrating, delicious watermelon strawberry cooler. What I like to call it, waterberry cooler. Let's make it major. For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. I have a small to medium sized watermelon. This watermelon was around $8. Can you believe it? But the larger ones were $15 and $16. Oh my God, that is so insane. I never thought a watermelon would cost so much. But I love watermelon because it reminds me of summer and it's hydrating and refreshing. Plus, it's packed with nutrients for our health. It's like 90% water and low in calories, so that's a win-win. We're going to use about 3 cups of watermelon and 1 cup of strawberries. Now, strawberries going to pair well with the watermelon, and plus it's packed with antioxidants and it's an immune booster for vitamin C, which we're going to need a lot of vitamin C around here, okay? I have 1 whole lime, and you can substitute this lime as well for a lemon, but I like limes. Limes not only add a tart kick to our drink, did you know it also helps our body absorb iron? I didn't know that. And it promotes collagen production for a healthier skin, and we can all use a little nip tuck, okay? I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Now, I know fennel seeds may seem like an odd addition, but it has a slightly sweet licorice flower earthy flavor that's going to complement our fruits very well. I also add fennel seeds to my drinks and my dishes because it's packed with fiber and it helps with digestive issues you may have going on and make your gut more friendlier, if you know what I mean. Grab your 2 cute cooler glasses for our cooler cocktail. I'm going to blend everything in my faithful Ninja. Now I split the watermelon in half. Now look how beautiful and red this watermelon is. Now you know it's going to be delicious and sweet. And it's right too. I think I got this from Costco, so I'm gonna have to run back and get me some more. Now we're getting ready to blend. I added in my watermelon first, then our delicious red strawberries, our juicy lime, and lastly, our fennel seeds. Blend everything well in your blender. I blend mine for a couple more minutes just to make sure everything is blended well together. Now pour your delicious concoction in your cooler glass. Now let's take a sip. Now that's delicious, family. Only 4 ingredients, 5 minutes, and endless deliciousness. This watermelon strawberry cooler is perfect for parties. Speaking of parties, this cooler is perfect for a party cocktail as well. Let me show you. You can also turn it into a cocktail. Get your favorite rum or vodka. I'm using Malibu pineapple rum. The pineapple flavor in this rum is going to go well with the watermelon and strawberry we have going on in this cooler. So take about 2 to 3 cups of your watermelon strawberry cooler and add about 2 to 3 ounces of your favorite rum or vodka. Now that's delicious. Cheers, family. For the next video you should watch is my homemade strawberry raspberry lemonade. Watch this juicy concoction transform right in front of your eyes. The link to this recipe will be down in the description box. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to share this video with all your family and friends. And also tell me in the comments, what is your favorite summer drink? What's the drink that you're going to create this summer that you haven't done before? Or your old faithful? Let me know down in the comments. And make sure to go to my website at everythingismajor.com and sign up on my email listing so you can be informed of any more delicious recipes. Thanks again for watching, family. It's always a treat when the majors meet. God bless you. Now go make it cute. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.